Today is our second annual Healthy Strides 5K, 10K race. Who can sign up for the race? Anyone. Anyone that lives in Fairfax County, any visitors, any family and friends. 5K, 10K, we don't have any age restrictions, but we do have fun run available for kids as well. Healthy Strides is what our Fairfax County Park Authority fitness team has developed. It's something that is part of our Take 12 program, and it's each month we focus on different aspects of how to stay healthy, whether it's mentally, physically, emotionally, and Healthy Strides has just been a part of that. We thought that offering a 5K, 10K races are huge nowadays, so we thought that it would be something that as Fairfax County we can get Fairfax County involved, get Fairfax County healthy again. It's important to get out and participate in these races, get moving, simply because one great advantage of having it for Fairfax County is you get to enjoy our parks, especially Burke Lake Park. It's a beautiful park, it's a beautiful day, beautiful scenery, but getting moving, getting out, you don't always have to be a runner. Beginners, intermediates, advanced are welcomed. You can walk the races, you can run the races, but as long as you keep moving, you keep healthy. Our fun run, it's definitely important to get the kids in as early as we can, even if they're in strollers, get the moms and dads out here. The fun run is important for kids. We are hitting a huge epidemic of childhood obesity right now, and we're doing what we can as our part in Fairfax County to really take our initiatives and turn it on to the kids and make sure that they get out, see that exercise and running is fun. If you've never done a 5K or 10K, don't worry. We at the Fairfax County Park Authority in our rec centers, we offer 5K, 10K classes. That way we can introduce you into some training styles, some interval styles. That way you don't have to start off by figuring out if you want to run the entire thing. Interval training will work you up to it. If you are interested in getting more information, you can go to www.fairfaxcounty.gov/parks. On there you can check into our Take 12 website as well, and that'll give you more information about the Take 12 program as well as Healthy Strides.